Hello everyone, in order to stream to Facebook, go to menu and select streaming. Inside here, select Facebook. You can write your stream key here. After you're done, you can select the resolution you want, video bitrate, audio bitrate, and so on. Once you're done, go back and click on this cloud icon. When it is successful, the icon will change color. Let's go to Facebook to check. As you can see, the video is now streaming on Facebook. Click Go Live to start streaming. That's it. Thanks for watching and I hope you guys enjoyed the video.